I'll show you how you can image alignment center with CSS. So today I'll teach you how you can do it. So if you know how you can set the alignment center, you can ignore this video. And if you want to new learner, then you can stay with me. All right. So herein I'm just writing the code as for markup, HTML markup. I will write here for CSS code. You can use this tool CodePen.io. Is the easy for any pen. You can write any small code that you can share with anyone. All right. So now I'm going to write CSS code with the CSS class. All right. Now I'll just write here text align center. Okay. So now I just show you with text align center, but you can use many other property like flex, margin 0 to like that. So you can use this one, and if you have any problem, you can just ask me. I will try to reply as soon as possible. This is the easier. And thanks for the watching. Bye bye.